What is Spargel?
And why are Germans so crazy about it?
In this episode, we're gonna cook and eat Spargel for the first time ever.
Today we're going to try to cook a traditional German recipe with white asparagus, some boiled potatoes, and a Hollandaise sauce. Here in Germany, Spargel means asparagus. And different from the US, where our main asparagus is green, the asparagus that they traditionally have here in Germany is white. So the difference between the white asparagus and the green asparagus is that the white asparagus is grown underground while the green asparagus is grown above the ground. Spargel season, or Spargelzeit, is traditionally from the middle of April up until June 24th. And during this time you can see all kinds of roadside stands and farmers markets popping up just to sell this white asparagus. The white asparagus, also called white gold, does cost a pretty penny. It was about 8 euros for 1 kilogram of the white asparagus. But it is a very labor-intensive process to harvest the asparagus. Each stalk is cut by hand. Because the asparagus is grown underground, it has a thicker skin, and so you have to peel it, which is different than the green type of asparagus. So it takes a lot of time to try to peel all these asparagus. At some grocery stores, they actually have an asparagus peeler. You can put each stalk in and it peels it for you.
I'm really not a fan of asparagus, so I'm really curious to see how this is gonna taste. I'm curious to see if you've ever tried the white Spargel, so comment below if you have and if you like it.
So after you peel the asparagus, next you cut off the ends, and you have all these slimy peelings left. Well, you can actually use these to make a broth. You can boil them and it makes like an asparagus broth you can use to make a asparagus soup. So next I'm gonna make some boiled potatoes, or as they call them, Salzkartoffeln. So I'm just gonna quarter these potatoes, leave the skin on, and put them in some boiling water. Okay, so next I'm gonna add some sugar and some salt to the boiling water for the asparagus. It's supposed to help cut some of the bitterness and bring out the taste of the asparagus. Next I'm gonna make the Hollandaise sauce. So first thing I'm gonna get this butter on some low heat and melt it on the stove. Next I need 4 egg yolks, just the yolks. Next I'm gonna whisk these egg yolks.
So we have our potatoes boiling and our asparagus boiling, and now we're making the Hollandaise sauce. Lucas is about to add the butter to the egg yolk mixture.
Okay, next I'm gonna little by little add in the butter to the egg yolk and whisking the whole time. Cheers.
You ready?
No, I'm on my cheers.
All right.
Cheers.
Oh, you ready? Let's try it. Let's try it. Can you try it?
What you want?
You don't like it.
No, I
It
want it.
still tastes like an asparagus to me, but I can see why people like it more than the green. What do you think?
I like it. I was a fan of the green asparagus, so this is similar, a little bit sweeter almost.
Yeah, it is sweeter.
I like it. I looked up some reasons why Germans love the white asparagus so much. First thing, it's the first crop for the spring season. So it kind of is like, it's like a reminder that, spring and summer is just right around the corner. And, with that comes warm weather and things like that. Second thing is that it's really healthy. So the white asparagus is loaded with lots of nutrients and vitamins and minerals, which is a good thing. Next is that it has a better taste than the green asparagus. It kind of is milder, not as strong of the asparagus flavor.
Yeah.
And then the last thing is it's a nostalgic thing. So it's something that a lot of people's parents and grandparents they would cook and they would make. So it kind of brings back a lot of memories for people. So Maria, do you think you would eat it again?
Maybe. So we boiled the asparagus. I think that's the common way to do it. And with green asparagus, you can put it in the air fryer. You can roast it in the oven. You can put it in a pan, and fry it on top of a stove. So I'm almost curious to see if we could do it that way with this and see if it's as good. I know it's more fibrous than the green asparagus that we're used to, so I'm not sure if it would work out, but it would be something to try, I think. But I would try it again. I would also like it to try it from a real German person who makes it. Because we're Americans, and it is fun to make German dishes. We are loving it. We love the German food. So I think I would try it again because I would love to see it made by an actual German person.
Yeah, or maybe get it at a restaurant or something.
Right.
See if it tastes different than what we made.
Right. Did you like it? Did you like the asparagus? He said yeah. He didn't even take a bite.
Yeah.
He likes the potatoes. I mean, who doesn't like the potatoes? The potatoes are the best part.
Yeah.
And the Hollandaise sauce is very good.
I think we had a lot of fun trying to make this dish. So leave a comment below if there's any other German dishes you want to see us try for the first time or even try to cook.
And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.